Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and remove black bar in a video. So already I open a footage in here. So here is the footage. Okay, I will add black bar in this video. So select the footage. Now go to the effect and type here crop. Okay, click, drag and drop into the clips. Now go to the effect control and see here is crop. So I will add top 15%, bottom 15%. Okay, see, effect is applied here. So if we have two footage, okay, so we want to add same black bar for two clips. So now select the clips. I am to delete this effect from here. Okay, now I want to add this black bar for these two video. Now for this I need to go to the project panel, project, and right click on mouse, new item, adjustment layer. Okay, adjustment layer. Now you can rename it black bar. Okay, so black bar, select the black bar, click, drag and drop above the footage. So full footage and this. Okay, see, now select the adjustment layer, go to the effect, type here crop, click, drag and drop into the clip. So now select the adjustment layer, go to the effect control or find here crop. This time top will be 15%, also bottom will be 15%. Now play the video. See, black bar is effect both video. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to remove black bar. So already I added a black bar footage in here. See, I will remove this video black bar. So select the video and go to the effect control, under the motion find here scale. Okay, scale. So increase the scale, make sure uniform is selected, or if you're not uniform selected, video will scratch, right, like this. So check uniform is checked and try to increase the value. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now play the video. See, black bar is gone. Question, if you have any question about this video, so let me know. Otherwise we will see you next video.